don't know how to describe the taste. Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of Fictional Foods. I know it's been so long, I grew my hair out, but I am back to give you another recipe and another look in bringing a fictional food to life. Now this food isn't actually fictional, but it is beloved by a fictional character called Doraemon. He's a cat from a Japanese anime with no ears who absolutely loves this treat. This is considered a sweet, even though it is using some savory ingredients, but Japanese sweets often aren't super sweet. So this is going to be a nice balance of a light sweet snack. And the snack that I am talking about is called Dorayaki. Now Dorayaki is two little pancakes sandwiched together with red bean paste in the center. Normally it uses chunky red bean paste, but I got smooth red bean paste today to try that out with. I've never tried this sweet before. It does normally contain dairy, at least it contains milk, and I just wanted to try a vegan version of it, and I never got to try it when I went over to Japan when I wasn't vegan. So I'm making a version for myself at home, and hopefully when I get out there I'll be able to show you what a traditional version looks like too. If you like this video, you like what I do, and you want to see more fictional foods brought to life and veganized, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see, and I'd be happy to make it. So without further ado, let's get started making our dorayaki and see how it tastes. I've never had it before, so I am really excited to see how it turns out. I read that one of the keys to making sure that this tastes authentic and delicious is adding dried roasted soybean powder. So I went the extra mile and went to a Japanese grocery food store to get that. I also went there to get the mirin that I'm using and the red bean paste. I'm thinking of adding roasted chestnuts into it just because I really like them and they had them at the store as well, but we'll see. I'm going to do a version with the chestnuts and without the chestnuts because I want to see what it's going to taste like on its own, but also I really like roasted chestnuts, so I thought why not give it a try. You don't want to add too much oil to the pan, so do like me. Use a paper towel to wipe off the excess and make sure that it's just a thin layer so your pancakes brown and not burn. Okay, The hard work is done and now it's time to enjoy the reward. Like I said, I've never tried these before, so I can't really compare it to the original, but I think they came out okay. Here they are. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can see it very well. It's brown on the outside like a pancake should be. It's stuffed full. I'll do a close-up version so you can see it as well, but here goes the first bite. This one is just the red bean paste one. That's what I'm trying first since it's the classic one. And I want to see what that tastes like before trying the red bean paste chestnut one. I don't know how to describe the taste, but it is really good. It's just sweet enough. Oh man. I think they were right about adding in that toasted soybean powder. I know that's what I'm tasting because it tastes the same as it smells. It's got like a nutty flavor to it, and it's just got a little bit of sweetness. There's not too much sugar in there. It's really good. It's a lot better than I expected. Normally, I don't like pancakes. I just don't like bready things. It's not my jam, but that one is actually really good. I kind of didn't need to do a chestnut one. I just think I did a chestnut one because I was worried the red bean paste one wasn't gonna turn out as delicious. But since I have the chestnut one, let's give it a try. And this is what this one looks like, but this is what we got. Adding the chestnut in to the red bean paste, I just smashed it in there, kind of mellowed out the flavor. I think it actually made it a little less sweet, so maybe the red bean paste does add a little bit of sweetness to it, but it didn't tone it down in a bad way. It just added a different flavor. I actually think I might just like the plain red bean paste one better. Who'da thunk it? It's really good. I'm probably gonna eat maybe not the whole plate. I'll save some for my roommate, but I am gonna eat most of these dorayaki by myself. I can see why Doraemon is so obsessed with eating them and why they're his favorite snack, and I can't wait to give original ones a try when I go to Japan, if of course I can find a vegan version. Make these at home. They're super easy. Take, I wouldn't say any more than 30 minutes to make due to the rest time of 10 minutes, and depending on how many you make, like if you make a big batch, of course it's going to take a while, but these are actually a really quick snack. They're sweet but not too sweet, and they're full of flavor. They're a lot more full of flavor than I thought. The combination of the nuttiness with the red bean paste is just chef's kiss. It's really good. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I'm glad you stuck around to see how these turned out, what they look like, what they taste like. Go to Ko-Fi. I'll put up a recipe on how I made these and you can try them for yourself. And once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and put any more comments of fictional foods you'd like to see or any other kind of foods you'd like to see veganized and brought to life. For now, eat well and travel often. Bye.